Hi everyone, so I'm back again today with a new product from Laxihub, which is B1 battery powered Wi-Fi video doorbell. I think it is a very nice product as for you as a house owner or a host, to be able to talk with any visitors who come to your place. And it is very also convenient to be able to communicate with those visitors or delivery men by leaving an audio message, and they can hear it and respond it to you as well. So yes, I'm very excited to unbox it and see what it looks like, and to show you all its amazing function. Alright, so I have just unboxed the product package, and these are the things that are included in the box. Of course, first of all, you're going to see its warning sticker, the B1 camera itself, the battery, the screws, adapter, USB cable, double-sided tape, reset pin, and wireless charm where you can hear the ring and also speak with the visitor. Okay, so yeah, user manual. Of course, you're gonna have to connect the camera itself with the battery. Okay, and I'm going to show that to you later. And yeah, how to set up the wireless charm with the camera as well. Alright, so it's not gonna be difficult at all because the wireless charm and the camera are usually paired before leaving the factory. But if they are not connected or paired yet, you're gonna have to easily follow the steps on the wireless charm quick guide. Okay, it's everything there, so you can just try it, or if you don't know how to do it, you can always contact us. Alright, okay, so now I'm going to show you how to connect the camera with the battery. Okay, it is going to be very simple, and yeah, I haven't actually shown you this before. It's actually a tool to help you attach the camera to the wall, for example. Okay, and about the details of how to do it, you can check it on user manual. Okay, so I'm going to leave it outside, and yeah, it is how you connect them together. You just push them like this. Okay, don't be afraid. See, light on, and yeah, this is the wireless charm. Of course, you have the power interface, and you can connect it to any USB